On top with tori for today. Naija pipo wey dey shook hand for criminal matter for Obodo no dey represent who we be for the country. Presido Buhari na im tok dis one. Presido Muhammadu Buhari tok dis one for Yokohama, Japan. Say the Naija pipo wey dey Obodo wey dey shook hand for dirty matter, the one wey oyinbo dey call criminal activities, no dey represent the kind pipo wey Naija be and wetin Naija dey stand for. When Presido meet with leaders of Nigerian Community wey dey live for Japan, when he be attend the 7th Tokyo International Conference on Africa Development, TICAD 7, he tell them say na only shekele number of Naija pipo wey dey Obodo dey try spoil Naija name, as im dey beg these pipo make dey comot hand for dis kind matter. Buhari come talk say Naija no go collect any crime matter from anybody, either dem dey Nigeria or na Obodo na im dem dey. As Naija government no go allow dis bad Naija pipo come give Naija bad name sake of wetin dem dey do. E come tell Naija pipo wey dey stay Japan say make dem dey represent Naija well, the one wey oyinbo dey call ambassadors, as im happy well say Naija pipo dey do well for different parts of the world wey dem tanda put. E tok say more than 17 million of Naija pipo dey Obodo as dem dey represent Naija well for many of the things wey dem dey do, and the ones wey dey Japan sef don do better work for themselves. Presido tok say Japan dey do well on top how technology take tanda well, as dis one go help how Naija deve wan take go up. E come tell the pipo wey dey stay there say make dem put body well for Japan and Naija matter, as dis one go help the two countries dem fit tanda well. As e come salute the ones wey don dey do well and dey help Naija economy on top international trade matter for Nigeria products, for music, for culture, tourism, sports and education, as dem still dey help tanda better industries for the country. E come tell ogbonge business pipo wey dey Japan and wey their hand clear well on top their business matter say make dem come throway body for the investment opportunities, the one wey dey Nigeria. Buhari come tell dem say dem for im administration dey work well to see say better environment dey for business matter to take grow, wey oyinbo dey call ease of doing business, as dem dey put ogbonge work for the practice and for security matter, for infrastructure and how to comot corruption for the country. E come still tell dem say dem don put for ground economic recovery and growth plan (ERPG) wey go fit make Naija economy matter catapult go up. As e come talk on top the regular meeting wey im dey get with Naija pipo wey dey Obodo and the Nigerians and Diaspora Commission wey im tanda put for there. As Presido come say for the meeting, im dey always beg Naija pipo for there say make dem be better pipo and dey represent Naija well for anything wey dem dey do. Buhari tok say im tanda Nigerians and Diaspora Commission to fit take dey follow dem talk, as dem need Naija pipo for Obodo to fit put body well for Naija deve matter, as their skills and talent go fit help the country matter go well. Chairman of Nigerians and Diaspora Commission, Abike Dabiri Erewa, wey be say na she coordinate this meeting, she tok say Presido Buhari na ogbonge leader and e dey do everything to see say things dey go well for the country. She say dem don see Naija pipo wey dey do well for their business for Obodo, for book matter, top business pipo, scientists, economists and many other areas. Professor Ejiogu Emenike wey be Presido for Nigerians and Diaspora Organization Asia Nido Asia, and na im come still be the person wey be say e sabi energy matter well as e come salute Presido Buhari for im ogbonge style wey e take dey rule Naija. E tok say any wahala wey dey science and technology dem ready gidigba to fit support Nigeria on top how dis one go fit dey well. Engineer Ochade Osakwe wey be chairman Nigerian Japanese Chambers of Commerce and Industry, e don talk about how the business wey dem dey bring come Nigeria, as dem ready do more, as e be say security matter for Nigeria need to dey kampe well. Nanji Fitan wey be Presido for Nigerian Union for Japan don ask say make better things begin dey shele for Presido Buhari administration on top education, infrastructure and security, as na dis one na im Presido Muhammadu Buhari administration sit down put. Na here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today, as Presido Muhammadu Buhari don yarn am for Yokohama, Japan, when he be meet with leaders of Nigerian Community wey dey there, say Naija pipo wey dey shook hand for criminal matter dem for Obodo, say dis ones dey no dey represent wetin Naija be and who Naija pipo wey dey really stand for. Make una no forget say dis ogbonge informate so wey una hear on top with tori for today, na T Live Media na im bring am come give una. and to continue to dey get dis correct and clear informate as e dey happen for Nigeria and for everywhere for the world. Make una no forget to follow, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook to follow and like our page for T Live Media. Our website sidon gidigba for www.tlivemedia.com. Make una follow am to get ogbonge tori as e dey hot.